The swamp has been probably the most interesting physical feature on the island. We've made some interesting finds, but there's no connective tissue. There's a lot of speculative tissue.
For more than 200 years, adventurers have invested fortunes into Oak Island, chasing legends and trying to unravel its many theories. Yet, the treasure remains one of history's greatest unsolved mysteries. That, however, may be about to change. In Season 13, Episode 15 of The Curse of Oak Island, the search reaches what feels like a major turning point. Mysterious structures are emerging, surprising clues are coming to light, and new evidence suggests the treasure could either be closer than ever, or still frustratingly out of reach. What have they truly discovered? Could the legendary riches finally be within their grasp? Or is Oak Island still guarding its secrets with unwavering precision? Tonight, we explore the newest findings, break down the hidden clues, and look ahead at what might come next in this epic journey. From startling revelations to unexpected twists, the hunt for Oak Island's treasure is far from over. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications as we explore the world's greatest mysteries, one secret at a time. This week's episode, titled Swamped, hints at a breakthrough fans have long been waiting for. It's the kind of episode where years of digging, drilling, draining, and debating could finally come together in a meaningful way. Premiering February 24th, 2026, the episode promises high-stakes action in both the money pit and the swamp, a combination that immediately stands out. Typically, episodes focus on one primary location, so seeing both hotspots active at once suggests that multiple storylines may finally be converging after seasons of build-up. So why does episode 15 feel different? The money pit has always been the emotional heart of Oak Island. It's where the legend began, where earlier treasure hunters lost fortunes, and even their lives, and where Rick and Marty Lagina have invested immense time, resources, and belief. This season, their strategy appears sharper and more technologically advanced, and this episode seems ready to raise the intensity even further. In preview clips, the team declares, "We want something found today. Find some treasure, boys." It may sound lighthearted, but it reflects a noticeable shift in urgency. The presence of serious drilling equipment suggests they're targeting something significant. When that level of machinery is deployed, it usually means they believe they're closing in on something important. Another dramatic moment hints at major progress, with someone saying, "That thing looks unstoppable." On Oak Island, unstoppable often signals machinery pushing deeper than ever before, breaking through barriers that once stopped progress, whether flooding, collapses, or dense soil layers. Even creating a stable path past those legendary underground obstacles would be a milestone in itself. What stands out most is the tone. There's less speculation and more determination. The team seems to be responding to a specific anomaly, perhaps a sonar signal, a metal detection hit, or evidence of a void underground that demands immediate investigation. Even a small but clearly verifiable artifact could shift the narrative of the entire season, providing stronger evidence than the wood fragments and rusted metal pieces of the past. While the money pit draws most of the attention, the swamp has quietly become one of the island's most intriguing areas. Long believed to be either man-made or heavily altered, the swamp has revealed ship-shaped formations, stone pathways, and signs of historic activity. Episode 15 appears to elevate the swamp storyline significantly. The preview shows excitement over a newly discovered object, with someone exclaiming, "I believe this is the key." On Oak Island, the word key carries powerful symbolism, suggesting locks, chests, hidden doors, or complex systems. Even if it isn't literally a key, its crafted design points to intentional workmanship. The team's reaction intensifies. "I absolutely want to send this one to the lab. It's extremely fascinating. Very early historical origins. Impossible. This is essential." The phrase "very early historical origins" could dramatically reshape the timeline of who first arrived on Oak Island. If testing dates the artifact to the medieval period, pre-Columbian times, or the early European era, it would strengthen long-standing theories involving the Knights Templar, early explorers, or secret colonial ventures, ideas that have fascinated viewers for years, but rarely with such promising physical evidence. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of Swamped is how it appears to connect discoveries across the island. In the past, clues often seem scattered. A coin here, a structure there. But this episode hints at something more unified. The preview closes with a hopeful statement. We're finally heading toward a path that might bring real answers. That doesn't sound like uncertainty. It sounds like direction. If the artifact found in the swamp aligns with discoveries from the Money Pit, it could suggest a coordinated network across the island, a deliberate system designed to hide and protect something valuable, rather than random burials. In that case, the mystery becomes not only what was hidden, but why, and how it was so carefully safeguarded. Beyond the technical progress, Episode 15 also touches the emotional core of the series. Rick Lagina's long-held belief that Oak Island tells a story about human determination, not just treasure, feels especially meaningful now. Early-era artifacts imply the presence of individuals with serious motives, people willing to take significant risks, perhaps driven by secrecy, survival, or power. The team's stunned reactions feel genuine. After 13 seasons, it takes something extraordinary to truly surprise them. When experienced researchers respond with shock and disbelief, it usually means the evidence is compelling. If Swamped lives up to its promise, it could mark a defining moment, not just for Season 13, but for the entire series. A confirmed early artifact from the swamp, combined with tangible progress in the Money Pit, could finally provide the kind of solid breakthrough critics have long questioned. One thing is certain, the mystery of Oak Island is far from finished, and this episode may bring us closer than ever to the truth. Episode 15 carries real momentum and real stakes. At the very least, it promises to narrow down the many competing theories that have surrounded Oak Island for generations. At best, it could finally establish a solid historical framework for future investigations, instead of constantly resetting the mystery back to square one. The curse of Oak Island has always thrived on the tension between hope and doubt. But Swamped feels like one of those rare moments when hope might actually be justified. With heavy machinery pushing deeper than ever into the Money Pit, and a potentially ancient artifact from the swamp heading straight to the lab for testing, this episode offers more than speculation. It offers direction. Whether treasure is uncovered or not, Episode 15 seems ready to deliver something arguably even more meaningful: clarity. And for a mystery that has endured for centuries, clarity might be the most historic breakthrough of all. Even the episode's title may hold deeper meaning. Oak Island episode titles often work as metaphors, and Swamped could suggest more than just mud. It may reflect the team being overwhelmed, not by water, but by overlapping discoveries and growing evidence. If both the Money Pit and the swamp produce concrete results, it could feel like the investigation is finally reaching its peak after years of steady build-up. Another striking detail is how quickly the team decides to send the swamp artifact for laboratory analysis. In earlier seasons, discoveries were often debated for multiple episodes before testing. Acting immediately suggests this object is clearly man-made and structurally preserved, something rare in Oak Island's harsh, corrosive environment. If the artifact truly resembles a key, the implications are enormous. Keys represent controlled access. They suggest storage, security, and protection of something valuable. This supports the idea that Oak Island may have functioned as a logistical center rather than just a simple burial site. The swamp, long believed to be a transportation or concealment zone, becomes even more significant if it once held purposeful, functional objects instead of scattered debris. The phrase, "very early historical origins," is especially powerful because it hints at a timeline that surprises even seasoned researchers. The team is used to finding items from the 1600s and 1700s. Anything predating British colonial activity forces a serious reassessment of who had both the skills and the motivation to carry out large-scale work on the island. That possibility may also shed light on Oak Island's sophisticated engineering features. Flood tunnels, stone roads, and layered construction have always seemed unusually advanced for such a remote location. If the dating points to earlier periods, it could indicate old world expertise brought to the new world, lending weight to theories involving European maritime powers or secretive organizations operating in the region. Meanwhile, developments in the Money Pit could finally answer critics who argue that excavation never reaches a clear conclusion. If the so-called unstoppable machinery truly breaks through previously unreachable layers, viewers may witness the closest thing yet to a definitive breakthrough. Even structural conformations, walls, platforms, or underground voids would represent a significant achievement. There's also a noticeable shift in how the team approaches progress. The recent tone emphasizes direction and coordination rather than broad speculation. The investigation feels focused and methodical instead of scattered across multiple loose ends. Episode 15 may also lay the groundwork for major discoveries later in the season. Episodes featuring laboratory analysis and upgraded excavation equipment often set up results that unfold in future installments. The full importance of the swamp artifact may not be clear yet, but its impact will likely shape the direction of the season moving forward. On an emotional level, this episode seems designed to reignite excitement, both for the team and for longtime viewers. After more than a decade on television, genuine surprises are rare. The authentic reactions shown in previews remind audiences why Oak Island captured their imagination in the first place. Importantly, Episode 15 balances dramatic visuals with credible scientific investigation. Massive drilling equipment and emotional reactions create excitement, but lab testing and historical verification bring legitimacy to the search. If the swamp artifact proves to be ceremonial, administrative, or protective in nature, it could open an entirely new path of investigation, one focused not just on hidden treasure, but on daily life and organized activity on the island. Human artifacts, tools, keys, personal objects often provide stronger connections than distant treasure speculation alone. Looking ahead, this discovery could also influence how resources are allocated. A significant find in the swamp might justify additional excavation or drainage efforts there, shifting attention away from areas that have produced fewer meaningful results. That would reflect a strategy guided by evidence rather than routine. Ultimately, Episode 15 feels like a genuine turning point. The discoveries could either reinforce long-standing theories with solid proof, or challenge everything the team believed they understood. Either way, Swamped is shaping up to be one of the most important episodes of Season 13. A moment when Oak Island moves from hinting at secrets to revealing them more clearly than ever before. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the Timefold channel and don't forget to like. Stay tuned as we continue uncovering the secrets of Oak Island.